making a fender out of this piece of metal here.
Oh, no way.
That's the plan. It's super thin, so I figure I could cut it and then just bend it somehow, weld it up, and then I'll have a front fender.
Ooh. I am making a little bracket to hold my rear blinkers. I'm gonna cut a little piece of steel, make 2 little flaps on the side, drill some holy boys, and whew, it'll just be something.
I have to get probably something welded on the front here, something welded on the back.
You need like a little mermaid, little like...
No, it should be the snake in the bottle, dude.
A little cast iron. Yeah, a little snake.
Nice, dude.
Damn.
Yeah.
You should probably make this fender, because I'm like... Just need a little more... I was hoping.
Oh, are you just burning right through that thin shit?
Dude, this is so thin. Yeah.
Measuring is for nerds, everybody.
That's right. Just the dullest.
Yeah.
A little bit. I
mean-
find for you.
Better than mine at home. They sing the song of their people.
You know, I was thinking about it actually would be a good investment as for us as a drill bit sharpener.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I might actually buy one of those.
Dude. Ooh. It's got it all painted, dude. It's very good.
No, I'm not doing that. I guess the yellows have to be, or the powers have to be separated.
Yeah, so you need to run into your switch.
So I need to run 2 wires all the way down the bike.
Yep, and then you need to tie into the trim seals in the front if you're going to put those in.
Right.
Hey.
Okay. We still got a headlight?
We're not on fire.
Okay, we're not on fire. We got a tail light.
It's beaming.
We still got a brake light.
Hey. Wait, yeah,
Now,
do that
if I
again.
hit the left switch,
Oh, yeah.
hopefully the left blinker turns on and blinks.
Oh,
Oh, f me.
working.
Okay.
Here we go.
Beautiful.
You got one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hell yeah, dude.
Yeah, like I said, I knew there'd be one here. Still the goods.
So that's a back.
Yeah.
That is not that far off from where Bluebee was.
No, this one looks half ready to go. I mean, the tire looks f***ed up, but it's all there.
This engine's missing the whole top end on it.
Yeah. Those are actually kind of nice, dude.
Well, one of these is going to become...
I think this thing still kicks over, dude.
Yeah,
so.
I think you guys would have checked by now.
In there.
But I remembering back this parts file, I thought we had 0 candidates.
Nothing
for
left.
rebuild.
No, all
I
these,
think we could build 2 more bikes.
all these, yeah, like maybe not those 2, but these 2. This is a very small profile there. Yeah.
All right, so maybe next week and we'll come and rip this fender off.
Sure.
Yeah.
These are 70s.
Right? Am I right about the
Oh.
105s, I mean?
They look like it with the suspension.
CT200s or
Yeah.
Because in a perfect world, I'd want your guys's, like, your front fork, Mitch.
Sure. Just how his
the wider handlebars.
Yeah, it looks like it fits him perfectly. Just hanging out. Dude, if a branch gets in there, he's going flying.
Yeah, well, if a branch gets in there, he's getting.
No, that's what I. Yeah,
At least
yeah.
his worries is gonna be the
That thing has so much pep.
Yeah.
Woo!
Yeah.
Dude,
The flagship.
that's way smoother than the old crusty industrial. Dude, it's sick.
Legend.